Hi YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to tween GUI in Roblox Studio. So in the starter GUI, I'm going to insert a screen GUI, a frame, and a text. Now I'm going to move the button here, stay out of the way of the. Then I'm going to 400, 400, enter it. Okay, now we're going to put in a local script in the text. When you're using a GUI, you always want to use a local script instead of a normal script. Will not work. Now we're going to set some variables first and do if it's open or not. So Tween-Position is going to move the frame off and onto the screen. It's going to slide it. It's going to do local open equals true because it is on our screen now. Now we're going to do local speed equals 1. That's how fast it is going to move. Now we're going to set a variable for the frame. So we're going to do local frame equals script.parent.parent. Now the text button, we don't need to insert anything to tell when it's clicked because it's already a button. So we're going to do script.parent.mouse button when clicked, connect function. Now we're going to check if it is on our screen or not, so we know which way to tween position it. So we're going to do open equals true, open equals false, open equals true. Now this is where we're going to tween position it. So we're going to do frame tween position udim2.new. Now this is where the position of the frame would go. So if it is open, we want to close it. So we're going to change the position. Now we're going to see which way we want to move it. So here we're just going to move it to 1 and it is off the screen. So we're going to do 1, 0, 0.12, comma. Now we're going to do another comma, put out, and then comma port, comma speed, comma true. Now let's move this back. If I remember correctly, it was at 0.303. Now over here, we're going to tween position it. So we're going to do frame tween position udim2.new. And then we're going to put the position. We're going to do 0.303, 0, 0.12, 0. Then out of those, we're going to do out, port, speed, true. Now let's test. So when we click the button, it should slide off of the screen and then back on. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.